Hey y'all, this is Deecha the Diva coming at you with another fabulous, easy DIY. And today what I'm doing is I am trying my hand at making a decorative cookie tray. Now again, it is with Dollar Tree items. As you can see, I've already gotten started. And what you will need is the dollar trays. Let me see if I can get closer view on this. You will need the dollar trays, plastic dollar trays from the Dollar Tree. Please remember to take the little stickers off that are on the back. And you will need some Dollar Tree plastic champagne flutes and Dollar Tree diamond wrap. You will also need, I'm using the my E6000, and a little does go a long way. So without further ado, let me show you guys what I did, explain to you what I did, and so I can keep it moving. Alright, so what I did is I took the, see, I didn't take the sticker off the bottom one, but I can do that. It's easier to do that than to do it on the subsequent ones. The other ones that you're putting on top. So it's easy to do that. Yeah, so this is just a decorative cookie tray that I'm making elegantly. It is going to be a 3-tier. So, you know, I started it, and I'm going to show you guys how I did it. First of all, your flutes come like this. See the bottom? You have to take the plastic bottom from the bottom and just push it in. It's as simple as that. Simple, easy peasy. You guys see that? I'm trying to rig you guys up where I can still work, but that you can still see. Okay. So after doing that, these are going to be your supports. And as you can see, I tried with just one, but one wasn't doing it for me. So I have 2 on each side because some cookies are bigger than others, and we don't want our cookies to succumb to the weight. So I glued those down with the flute, the base or the bottom of the flute pointed up, so the round circle is supporting the next tray. Okay, and then I cut the diamond ribbon, just enough E6000 on the edge, and I cut the diamond ribbon to size, and I just pressed it firmly. Now this is a trick because I never do anything that's too complicated. If you happen to get any glue or anything on your hands, do not worry or anything. It's nothing to be bothered about, because all you have to do is take a little bit of cooking oil and some dish liquid and rub your hand vigorously together. Where's your hand? It just pulls off. So yeah. And the good thing about using these clear trays from the Dollar Tree, now everything I got is from the Dollar Tree except for E6000, and I bought that from Walmart for about $6.88, and it's lasting throughout all my DIYs and all my little projects that I'm doing around the house. So definitely get your money's worth, because a little goes a long way, as I said. But in saying that, Oh, I cracked the glass. So I'm not going to use that one. But I have enough here. I also wanted to make a two-tiered spice rack for my kitchen. That makes it easier when you're cooking, so that you can just grab things and you don't have to go hunting for them. Especially the spices that you use all the time. And I'll let you guys see what I'm doing. I'm just pulling apart so I can get the bottoms together here. There we go. Pressing down gently. I'm heavy-handed, so always got to remind myself to be gentle. There we go. There's that one. Okay, that one didn't have to click in. Okay. That one is on there. So that makes 4 altogether. And I'm just lining them up exactly how I glued the other ones on. You guys can see they're exactly lined up. So in doing that, now here's the trick. I love this E6000 because it dries clear. But all you want to do is push on your tube just enough for the glue to present itself in the opening. And then you just want to take it and go around your glass, because you don't want a lot. You just want it to frame the outer edge so it can stick. Just press it enough to where you can see the glue presenting itself in the opening of the glue bottle. Okay, and just stick it. Get out that little press. And I'm going to continue, so I'm going to be moving a little bit quicker now that I've showed you guys how I do it. It's easy peasy. And see, the glue will be nowhere near the cookies. And you're using so little. Like I said, even with the diamond wrap, it's like on the outer edge. Now these won't be able to be put in the dishwasher or anything, but I'm just using them for cookies during special occasions, so they'll just wipe off. Easy peasy. I'm trying to have a no fuss but elegant holiday. I hope you guys can see this well. See, I'm just sticking it to line up with the other ones that have already been glued. And if you guys want to, a good idea is if you want to make it more decorative, let me get this where you can see it. If you want to make it more decorative, you could put those colorful or non-colorful, you could make it all diamonds, gemstones from the Dollar Tree inside the flutes before you actually glue them down. And how you could do that is stick them in there and then press the trays on top of them instead of face down. Okay, so have those in place. Looking nice. And then, as I said before, can you guys see that? Alright, I'm going to put my last tier on. And like I said, it's best to take these, the stickers off the back before you glue them down, because it's going to be more of a challenge if you try to do it afterwards. Now that one on the bottom, easy peasy, but the ones that you're putting in the middle and stuff, that would be harder. And it just comes right off, right off, right off. Alright. Okay, let's get that little piece off. It's sticking to itself. Alright, honey. Come on off of there for mama. Alright. And with this, just have to line it up to where you want it to go. And a good thing to remember is, you see those edges right there? Those are the lines before the tray starts to bow on the ends. So that's a good indicator of where your bases go. The stems on your bases. So let's line that up. Like so. Okay. Can you guys see that? See how it's lined up? Do you see the edges I'm talking about up here? Yeah. Now with that, I'm going to glue that down and put diamond wrap around, and I will be back to let you guys know how it turned out and what it looked like. Alright, this is Deja the Diva. I love you guys to life. Act blessed, walk blessed, talk blessed, and be a blessing to who? The Lord, by blessing somebody else. Please click that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys in a second. Thank you.